I'm about to share with you every outfit that I wore this week. And if you're interested in this dress that I'm wearing that I just finished, make sure that you watch to the end. Hi, my name is Sarah, and welcome to my channel, which is all about sewing and styling a handmade wardrobe. I don't think I've done one of these outfit videos since Me Made May, so because it's summer, I thought it was time to give you a little snapshot of what I actually wear in my everyday life. So let's just get right into it and start with Monday. On Monday, I was wearing a boxy top that I actually self-drafted back in 2018. It was one of my only attempts at self-drafting. If you are not new to my channel, then you may know that I'm not really into doing my own drafting. It's just not something that I really enjoy, but this top actually worked out relatively well, I would say. I used to wear it all the time, but in recent years I haven't really been reaching for it. I think it's because of the length. I made it to be a high-low hem, and so it's a little bit short in the front and a little longer in the back, and it's just short enough that it doesn't really want to stay tucked in the front. And so I think that's why I don't reach for it as much as I used to, but I do keep it in my closet because I made it out of this beautiful Rifle Paper Company rayon fabric that I really love. So I don't want to get rid of it. I do wear it every once in a while, but just not that frequently anymore. On the bottom, I'm wearing my Simplicity 9141 skirt. This was a dress that just did not work out for me, and so I ended up cutting off the bodice and then just putting on an elastic waistband, and I really do like the skirt. It's very, very full and swishy. And I really like the way that these two elements combine together in an outfit. Normally when I wear this skirt, I usually wear it with a t-shirt or a tank top, but I just decided to try out the boxy top, and I think that it works really well as a combination together. Now before I forget, I will have the patterns linked down in the description box, along with any videos that might go along with the garments if I have them. Moving on to Tuesday, I was working from home on this day, and so I wore my Jennifer Lauren handmade hunter tank. It was out of a white linen fabric that I got from Fabric Mart. I had made a different top out of this fabric, and I had just enough left over to squeeze out the tank. And then on the bottom, I'm wearing Simplicity 2184. It is a bias cut slip skirt made out of a rayon that I got from Style Maker Fabrics. Now I don't wear either of these pieces that much anymore either. The hunter tank I don't really wear too much because it doesn't fit quite right. It was before I started doing small bust adjustments, and this top definitely needs one and I didn't do it, so I don't really feel that comfortable wearing it anymore. And then for the skirt, this is a very silly thing, but although I did let the hem drop and I leveled it out, I just did a really bad job. So the hem's a little bit uneven. I really need to go back in and fix the hem, and then I'm sure I would wear it a lot more than I am right now. I just haven't done that to this point because I am lazy. Regardless, I do still like the way that the two paired together, and I think that it made a cute outfit for Tuesday. On Wednesday, I was back in the office and I was wearing my Pattern Emporium Take the Chance shirt dress out of a purple double gauze that I bought from Joann Fabrics. And I was also wearing my little cowboy ankle booties. I just decided to put this outfit together even though I'm not sure that it works because I just never wear these little booties, but I think that they're really cute. I do think that the brown and the purple is kind of an unexpected color combination, but I did like the way that it looked. And I do wear this dress quite a bit because it's very loose fitting and comfortable. And it was pretty warm that day, so it helped me stay nice and cool at work. On Thursday, I pulled out another shirt that has been in my closet for a long time, but I haven't really been reaching for it. And that is the Hey June Handmade Willamette shirt. This version was made out of an art gallery quilting cotton, and then I was wearing my True Bias Lander pants out of this beautiful royal blue cotton that I got from Minerva. That fabric was sponsored to me, so I received it for free in exchange for writing a blog post. And then I paired it with some fun green sandals that I got from Target. This outfit was really casual, but very comfortable to wear and a nice look for the office, but not too dressy, which is pretty much my style for when I go to work. On Friday, I was wearing one of my Pattern Emporium Keep It Simple Babe tees. I didn't realize this was going to be such a Pattern Emporium week, but there you go. And then I paired that with my Paper Cut Patterns Tula pants made out of linen from fabricstore.com. It was pretty hot this day and I did have to go to the office, so I just wanted to wear something that was comfortable but still looked chic. And I really love the square neckline of this t-shirt. It's one of my favorites. It's just a really pretty neckline. I really need to make another one of these t-shirts because I realize now that I made it in a size too big. I should have sized down a little bit, but I think it's still wearable and it was certainly very cool and comfortable. It's a cotton spandex jersey and the linen pants are fabulous and so swishy. Yesterday, on Saturday, I wore my Helen's Closet Reynolds tank. This was another scrap buster. I had a little bit of rayon fabric left over from making a dress, so I just used it to make this top. And then I paired it with my Style Arc berry pants out of a linen that I got from Blackbird Fabrics. These are some of my favorite summer pants. They're just so comfortable to wear and they really do go with everything. And then this is not about sewing, but I got these bags from Uniqlo and I just had to share them because I think that they're so wonderful. I actually bought 3 of them because they cost less than $20 and they were such a good value. Since I wasn't really doing anything on this day, it actually rained all day, and so I just ended up walking the dogs with my husband like normal. Because it's made out of nylon, it's water resistant, and so I just wore it to walk the dogs, and it held my phone and the supplies that I needed for the dogs, and it's just perfect for that. It's actually really roomy and it holds a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna link it down in the description box in case you're interested. It's not an affiliate link, I just wanted to share because they're just so inexpensive, but very, very practical, and I just really like them. I think in the photos and the video, I'm wearing the olive green version, but I did buy 2 other colors. I got it in like a sand color, and then I also got like a deep purple. So I'm really excited to incorporate those into my wardrobe. And finally, we've made it to Sunday, and the dress that I am wearing today, it's another Pattern Emporium. I guess you could say that this is the Dream On dress, but actually I bought the Everyday's a Weekend dress, and then I later bought the fitted bodice add-on, and so when you put the 2 together, it's essentially the Dream On dress. I hope that makes sense. And this was another Minerva sponsored project. They sent me this fabric. In this dress, I made a size 6, which is my normal Pattern Emporium size. I did the high round neck, the short bishop sleeves, the mini length with 2 tiers, and I did not add pockets. Now this knit eyelet fabric from Minerva, I think it's a cotton spandex blend, I can't quite remember. It's very, very soft and comfortable, it has enough stretch, and surprisingly, it's not as sheer as I was expecting it to be. Now, if I wore this dress to the office, I would wear a slip underneath just for modesty purposes, but right now I'm not wearing a slip and I just feel like it's perfectly comfortable. And for wearing around the house on the weekends, I don't think it's necessary to wear a slip. Obviously, you would want to be careful about what undergarments you wear, but I do think the fabric is nice and versatile and it's thicker than I was expecting it to be. Now, I do kind of wish I had shortened the sleeves a little bit. They do feel a little bit long. I think probably because I kept my elastic really loose. I don't like it when the elastic cinches on my upper arm. I just think it's uncomfortable. And I think the intention is maybe to have it to be a little bit tighter up on your arm. And so because I don't like doing that, I think I would have been better off shortening the sleeve a little bit. But it's not too bad, it's definitely still wearable. And although I do kind of miss having pockets, I did think that they would show with this fabric, so I'm kind of glad that I left them off. And I would just like to say that I apologize for the quality of the photos and videos of this one. I slept in this morning and so the sun kind of came out and so the pictures are not the best, so I am sorry about that. But yeah, I'm really happy to have finally made another version of my favorite dress that I've talked about many times on my channel before. I'm not quite sure that I will wear this one as much as I wear my favorite one, just because after I made this, I remembered that I already have a white eyelet dress in my closet, so I kind of made a second one, so I have a duplicate. But that's okay, they are different fabrics. This one's a knit, my other one's a woven. So I think I will still wear them both, but maybe not as frequently as I would have if I only owned one white eyelet dress. So I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more outfits that I wear in my everyday life, watch this one next.